Craving that waffle fry fix, but want to pay with that Chick-fil-A gift card you've got burning a hole in your pocket? I'm going to show you how to load it onto your app for easy breezy payments. First things first, fire up your Chick-fil-A app. Make sure you are logged in. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Okay, now look for the account icon. It might even say profile. And tap on it to open your account settings. This is where the magic happens. Now find payment methods, payment options, or similar. Tap to access all your payment selections. Look for an add gift card spot, then click on it and you will get a pop-up, so you can manually input your gift card details. Grab your gift card so you can enter the gift card number and access code that is on the back of the gift card. Once you've verified both numbers, tap Save or the app should confirm the card has been added. Now head back to the home screen and start your usual order. Load up on those nuggets. When you're ready, tap Review Order. At the payment screen, you should see your gift card listed as a payment option. Select it. If your gift card doesn't cover the full amount, you can use your other payment app to cover the remaining balance. And that's it. Now you can enjoy your favorites guilt-free. Well, almost. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more food hacks.